Hi, welcome to VBS Easy Spoken English by Srinivasulu Vegur from Sri Sai Chaitanya Educational Trust. Today, the class is about he is, it's short form. He is not, its short form is he isn't. Positive statements in present tense. Sentence structure is subject plus helping verb plus predicate of the sentence. Subject he, helping verb is plus predicate of the sentence. He is your brother. He is your father. He is her friend. He is her uncle. He is a farmer. He is a teacher. He is a doctor. Here, he is, its short form is he is. Here we want to observe there is no any main verb in all sentences. Here only subject plus helping verb plus predicate of the sentence. It means there is no any main verb in those sentences. Here only without main verb sentences. He is your brother. Ata nimma sahodaranu. He is your father. Ata nimma tandeyavaru. He is her friend. Ata akina sahodara. He is her uncle. Ata akina chikkappa athava mama avaru. He is a farmer. Ata obba raitanu. He is a teacher. Ata obba shikshaka. He is a doctor. Ata obba vaidyanu. As well as its negative statements in present tense. Sentence structure subject plus helping verb plus not plus predicate of the sentence. Subject he plus helping verb plus not, is plus not, isn't, plus predicate of the sentence your brother. Here sentences he isn't your brother, he isn't your father, he isn't her friend, he isn't her uncle, he isn't a farmer, he isn't a teacher, he isn't a doctor. Here he is not, its short form is he isn't. Once again, he is not, its short form is he isn't. All sentences. He isn't your brother. Ata nimma sahodaranu alla. He isn't your father. Ata nimma tandeyavaru alla. He isn't her friend. Ata akina sahodaranu alla. He isn't her uncle. ಆತ ಆಕಿನ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಮಂದವರು ಅಲ್ಲ. He isn't a farmer. ಆತ ಒಬ್ಬ ರೈತನು ಅಲ್ಲ. He isn't a teacher. ಆತ ಒಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕನು ಅಲ್ಲ. He isn't a doctor. ಆತ ಒಬ್ಬ ವೈದ್ಯನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. Here, positive statements in present continuous tense. Subject plus helping verb plus predicate of the sentence. Variation between previous matter and here. Here only we want to add ing to that main verb. That is the variation. In the first one is there is no any main verb in those sentences. Here in this one we want to observe ing form to that main helping verb. He is a subject plus helping verb is he is plus predicate of the sentence main verb plus ing plus extension of the sentence speaking English. Predicate is here speaking English. The sentence is he is speaking English. Now he is reading news. He is writing his notes. He is eating in the hotel. He is playing on the ground. He is teaching Kannada. He is asking questions. Here we want to observe the main verb plus ing. Speak is a main verb. Ing is the we are adding to that main verb speaking. Then as well as read plus ing reading, write plus ing writing, eat plus ing eating, play plus ing playing, teach plus ing teaching, ask plus ing asking. In continuous tense we want to add ing to that main verb. That is the main one here we want to observe. Here he is, its short form is his. Once again he is, its short form is his. Sentences he is speaking English. ಆತ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He is reading news. ಆತ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓದುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He is writing his notes. ಆತನ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He is eating in the hotel. ಆತ ಹೋಟೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He is playing on the ground. ಆತ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He is teaching Kannada. ಆತ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಬೋಧಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He is asking questions. ಆತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. As well as here negative statements in present continuous tense. Structure subject plus helping verb plus not plus predicate of the sentence. Subject is he plus helping verb plus not. Is plus not. Is a helping verb. Not is not plus predicate of the sentence speaking English. He isn't speaking English. He isn't reading news. He isn't writing his notes. He isn't eating in the hotel. He isn't playing on the ground. He isn't teaching Kannada. He isn't asking questions. Here he is not, its short form is he isn't. Once again he is not, its short form is he isn't. Now all sentences. He isn't speaking English. ಆತ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. He isn't reading news. ಆತ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓದುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. He isn't writing his notes. ಆತ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. He isn't eating in the hotel. ಆತ ಹೋಟೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. He isn't playing on the ground. ಆತ ಪ್ಲೇಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. He isn't teaching ಕನ್ನಡ. ಆತ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಬೋಧಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. He isn't asking questions. ಆತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Now here, what is the variation between all four type of sentence structures? Present positive, present continuous tense positive, present negative, and present continuous tense negative. Here, in the continuous tense, we want to add ing to that main verb. That is the variation. Then common in the present tense only noun. So that's why we are not adding any ing to that main verb. There is no any main verb in the present positive, simple present positive sentences. Next one, present continuous tense, there is a main verb. So that's why we want to add to the main verb ing. So that is the variation. Now the next one, present negation, present continuous tense negation. Not compulsory to the negation sentences, as well as not plus main verb plus ing. So that is, you want to observe that variation. So now, he is your brother. He is speaking English. ಆತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಹೋದರನು, ಆತ ಆಂಗ್ಲವನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He is your father. ಆತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವರು. He is bringing gifts to you. ಆತ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ. He is her friend. He is writing her notes. ಆತ ಆಕಿನ ಸಹೋದರನು. ಆತ ಆಕಿನ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He is her uncle. He is eating in the hotel. ಆತ ಆಕಿನ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಮಂದವರು. ಆತ ಹೋಟೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He is a farmer. He is digging in the field. ಆತ ಒಬ್ಬ ರೈತ. ಆತ ಗದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಗ್ಗನ್ನು ತೋಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He is a teacher. He is teaching ಕನ್ನಡ. ಆತ ಒಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ. ಆತ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಬೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He is a doctor. He is giving treatment to the corona patients. ಆತ ಒಬ್ಬ ವೈದ್ಯನು. ಆತ ಕರೋನಾ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. So that is the variation between present positive and present continuous tense positive tense sentences. Now present negative and present continuous tense negative sentences. He is not your brother. He is not speaking English. ಆತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಹೋದರನು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆತ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. He is not your father. ಆತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವರು ಅಲ್ಲ. He is not bringing gifts to you. ಆತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. He is not her friend. ಆತ ಅವಳಿನ ಸಹೋದರನು ಗೆಳೆಯನು ಅಲ್ಲ. He is not writing her notes. ಆತ ಅವಳಿನ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. He is not her uncle. ಆತ ಆಕಿನ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಮಂದವರು ಅಲ್ಲ. He is not eating in the hotel. ಆತ ಹೋಟೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. He is not a farmer. ಆತ ಒಬ್ಬ ರೈತನು ಅಲ್ಲ. he is not digging in the field. ಆತ ಗದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಗ್ಗನ್ನು ತೋಳುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. He is not a teacher. ಆತ ಒಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕನು ಅಲ್ಲ. He is not teaching anything. ಸೊ ಆತ ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಬೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. He is not a doctor. ಆತ ಒಬ್ಬ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲ. He is not giving any treatment. ಆತ ಯಾವುದೇ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. If you satisfied by in this VT, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.